Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will try to find out the null values against each of these columns in a single command. Okay, so you can get null values against one command. Okay, in same way, I can get the values for each of these columns. Okay, like how many null values are in the column 1, how many null values we have present in column 2. Okay, I want a single query or single command so that I can get all these values, right? And it is really helpful in your testing. Okay, so how we can achieve it? So let's get started. So to achieve it, let's try to understand first of all how I can get all the columns name. Okay, so let's say I'm using a loop here. Okay, and to get all the columns from the data frame, we need to use df.columns function. Okay, a keyword, and then I can use directly print statement to see what all columns I have in this particular data frame. So as you can see, we have 7 columns and the name of columns are like this. Okay, so I got the column name. Now, my second problem will be to get the null values of a single column. Okay, let's try with a single column, how I can get it. Okay, so I'll use df.select. Or before this, I will show you how you can select a single column. Okay, so this is a way by which you can create a data frame for a single column. If you want your one new data frame, let's say temporary, which has only one column, let's say column 1, you can get it. You can see. So I created one data frame with one column here. Okay, so I'm able to select one column. I can get all the column names. I am able to select one column. Now, what I will do, let me clear the result or hide the result. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will apply one filter. Okay, because I need to filter out the null values. So I'll say filter where I wanted to apply this filter for this particular column. Right? Okay. And I want to see using filter if there is any null value. If the null value is there, okay, it should filter out all the null values and it should give me the count. Let's say count. And let's print it and see if it is giving the correct count or not. So in column 1, we have 12 null values. Okay. Now, I wanted to get the null values for each of this column. Okay. So what I can do is I can use this command inside a loop, the loop which we have created earlier. Okay. Here. Right. And here, instead of hard coding this column name, what I will do, I'll use column name. That's it. Right. I will say this will give me some kind of value or the null count, something like this, anything which is meaningful. And then you can write print, let's say f, since I will be including few parameters, okay, number of, null values in column, and here I'll pass the parameters saying that I'm referring this column, right? Also, I want to see the count. So I'll pass this value over here. Simple. And then close the double quotes. That's it. Let's run this and see how it works. So if you see here, number of null values in column 1, 12, column 2, 16, 3, 9, and same ways for all the columns. Let's see if the column 7 is really having 7 values or not. Okay. Okay, so what I have done is I have just Okay, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let me make it a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is the way you can check that our function is written in correct value. Just to cross verify, let's see for the another column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the column 6, we should be getting 10 records as null. Correct. So it means our function is working fine. So I hope this function will help you in your validations. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.